Welcome to my first ever pair of running shoes. Let's unbox these running shoes, and I'm very excited to show you guys what they look like. So this is not a review. I am not a professional. I'm not a professional runner, but I am running 5k every single day for the next 100 days to raise £5,000 for Yemen. The donation link is in the bio, so if you guys want to donate, brilliant. If you can share this video or share my previous videos that I shot about the whole challenge, that'd be brilliant as well. And yeah, without any further delay, let's get on. This is the shoes that I have picked up. They are the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 37, size 10. I'm usually a size 9, but size 10 fitted me really well at the Run For It shop. So this is right out the box. I went for the black and white. I did notice online these, on the Nike website, you can actually customize everything. So I will, hopefully after my challenge of 100 days running is over, I will be treating myself to another pair of these, but a completely different customized pair. These are the Nike Pegasus 37 trainers. Like I said, I'm not a runner. I don't know much about running shoes, but these are my first running shoes. This is the first look at these. The next pair I will go for will be a black, completely black. I like to have a black sole that kind of hides the dirt as well. So these will be interesting to see how these last. I have seen other reviews on these, like a 100-mile review, and they have said that these are really, really good. They've got good reviews online as well. These cost me £95. I have tried these on. I tried these on, tried the New Balance on, and I tried the Hoka shoes on as well. And these were the most comfortable, and they just felt really nice on my feet. I tried running on the treadmill with these. Felt very, very comfortable. Size 10. But yeah, these are the first look, and I will check in after my 500 kilometers done after 100 days. Make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, and most importantly, make sure you guys donate.